Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel. I have this really sweet floral thank you card today, which is made using some uniquely creative stamps. These are the Tropicana stamps, and I'm just stamping them up and placing them on my Misty before I start colouring. So I'm using the Spectrum Noir markers today, and I'm just going to finish colouring these images before I cut them out with my scissors. Now I'm just using the Distress Oxide to ink blend the background, and I'm using some Papermilldirect Super Smooth White cardstock. And now I'm just going in with a darker purple at the bottom of the card and then slowly building the colour up. And now I'm just going to ink up my mat and add a little bit of water to make some little splatters to add some texture to the card. And then I'm adding some double-sided sticky tape to the back of the card, and then I will place this down on my card base. Now I'm just figuring out where to place the flowers and what will look best, and then I'm going to go ahead and adhere these down to the card. And I'm just using some foam squares to do this and to also add a bit of dimension. Now I'm just using the Hello Friends script die by Uniquely Creative, and I'm going to run this through my die cutting machine. And this is the Rosa Sparkle print card by Papermilldirect, and it's glittery, it's so pretty. And then I'm just going to die cut the thanks card twice out of the white card and then once out of the sparkle print card before adhering them together. This is just PVA glue that's in a little bottle, which makes it really easy when you're trying to stick your die cuts that are a bit fiddly. And then once the last thanks is adhered onto the other two, I normally just place a book over the top just to leave it for about 10 minutes to make sure that they're all stuck together really well. And everything that I've used in today's video will be listed below in the description box if you're interested. Now I'm using some Papermilldirect plain black card, and I'm using a Neat and Tangled So Many Sentiments stamp set, and I'm just going to go ahead and heat emboss this with some white embossing powder. Now I'm just adhering the thanks die to the card, again using some of that PVA glue. You can put your acrylic block back on if you're worried about it not sticking properly. And then to finish off the card, I'm just going to add some uniquely creative sequins. And these sequins are called Violet Garden. Now I'm just going to go and adhere the sequins down, again using some PVA glue, and that's a Trimcraft pickup tool, which is really handy. And that's it, the card's all complete. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much, bye!